Discover Hacienda-Style homes, stunning courtyard designs for your dream house. Welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. In today's episode, we delve into the timeless beauty and cultural richness of Hacienda-Style homes with courtyards. Rooted in Spanish and Mexican traditions, these homes perfectly blend functionality with charm, making them an ideal inspiration for crafting a dream residence that embraces both nature and heritage. At the heart of every Hacienda-Style home is its courtyard, a serene outdoor sanctuary that effortlessly connects all areas of the house. Enclosed by sturdy adobe walls, adorned with lush greenery, and accompanied by the soothing sound of a central fountain, these courtyards provide a private retreat ideal for both relaxation and family gatherings. Not only does this design enhance aesthetic appeal, but it also ensures natural light and ventilation, contributing to a more comfortable and sustainable living environment, especially in warmer climates. Courtyards are integral to the Hacienda lifestyle, encapsulating harmony and functionality within their welcoming embrace. Signature elements of Hacienda design include the use of natural, rustic materials such as adobe walls, clay tiles, and wooden beams. These materials offer exceptional insulation and durability while emanating beauty. Wrought iron accents contribute an artisanal touch, while terracotta flooring and vibrant painted tiles foster a warm, inviting atmosphere. Together with earthy tones like terracotta, cream, and sunlit yellows, Hacienda homes radiate timeless elegance, reflecting the surrounding natural landscape. Outdoor living is central to Hacienda-style homes, with features like expansive patios, shaded verandas, and lush gardens. Bougainvillea blooms, fragrant jasmine, and picturesque stone pathways enhance the exterior charm, while fountains add both visual allure and practical benefits. These homes are inherently eco-friendly, incorporating sustainable techniques such as passive cooling and rainwater harvesting. Whether you're building a dream sanctuary or seeking design inspiration, Hacienda-style homes with courtyards offer a perfect fusion of tradition, comfort, and modern living, balancing the best of past and present to create a truly unique and welcoming home environment.